doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. Really cool bikes are these. This one's a 2018 on a 68 plate and it's only done 4,040 miles. Really nice spec'd bike. Obviously you've got the V4 engine, really popular engine at the moment. A lot of companies are going to them. Roughly around 175 brake horsepower and a naked bike, so you've got plenty of fun. This one is a full colour TFT one, and it's got some really nice aftermarket bits on it. You've seen the Puig screen just there. You've got some aftermarket brake and clutch lever, some protection for the engine and the frame. This one's got a tail tidy, and if you just come down as well, Mr. Cameraman, you'll see it's actually got some lowered pegs as well on it, so if you're a tall guy like me, you don't want to be scrunched up on it, you can be super comfortable. It's also got some bar risers on the bike as well, just to pull the handlebars a bit further up. And there's your full colour TFT display. I'll go through this dead quick with you. You've got adjustable traction control, power modes, ABS which is adjustable, you've got anti-wheelie, launch control. Then just here you'll see how much brake you're putting on, how much throttle you're putting on, and then you've got a lean angle as well so you can see how far the bike has been leant over. So with these you also get a pit lane limiter, you get quickshifter and auto blipper as well, you got cruise control. This one's got an aftermarket carbon fibre hugger and chain guard as well, and just an absolute animal of a bike. So with the display you can also link it to your phone via Bluetooth, download an app and just see exactly how you have been riding. Anyway, let's get this V4 cracked up. Fantastic sounding engine, really does sound the business. So if you do want this one, do be quick. Naked bikes are selling fast. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call and get your name on it before someone else does. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.